So, I've had this old iPhone here for months that needs the glass replaced. And I actually ordered one, and it's been here for months, but when you go to replace it, there's these teeny tiny screws on the end that I could not get out. So I Googled small screwdriver for iPhone. And then I found this little kid's video. It was pretty cool that he used a nail. This is his YouTube, and I thought I'd try it. I don't have a long nail like he has, but I did have just a little simple nail, and the end does seem a little bit like maybe it would work, so I gave it a try, and I turned it in here and the screw is actually coming out. And just think, for months I have had this set to the side with a new screen just waiting, but I had to get past these screws. And this little boy found an amazing hack that it's actually working. Wow. So there they are. And I should be able to take the screen off now. I'm sure I'll have to find another YouTube video on this part, but I wanted to show you that they worked. You don't need a special tool. It's just a little bitty nail that this little boy, Saxon Dilworth, taught me the hack. So I'm gonna finish this screen replacement today. Okay, go over and follow Saxon. Maybe he has some more hacks.